Farming can seem overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. I've learned a few easy tips that can transform your approach and make the process more enjoyable and productive. Let's dive right in. First, let's talk about soil health. Healthy soil is the foundation of any successful farm. One of the simplest ways to improve your soil is through composting. You can start by collecting kitchen scraps like vegetable peels, coffee grounds, and eggshells. Mix these with yard waste like leaves and grass clippings. Over time, this organic matter breaks down into nutrient-rich compost that can enhance your soil structure and fertility. Just remember to turn your compost regularly to speed up the decomposition process. Next, consider crop rotation. Planting the same crops in the same spot year after year can deplete the soil of specific nutrients and lead to pest problems. By rotating your crops, you can improve soil health and reduce the risk of disease. For instance, if you grow tomatoes in one area this year, plant legumes like beans or peas in that spot next year. Legumes fix nitrogen in the soil, which benefits the following crops. Now, let's discuss pest management. Instead of reaching for chemical pesticides, try companion planting. Certain plants can naturally deter pests or attract beneficial insects. For example, planting marigolds alongside your vegetables can repel nematodes and other pests. Similarly, basil planted near tomatoes can help ward off aphids and whiteflies. It's a natural way to keep your garden healthy without harmful chemicals. Watering is another crucial aspect. Many people overwater their plants, thinking more is better. In reality, it can lead to root rot and other issues. A simple trick is to check the soil moisture before watering. Stick your finger about an inch into the soil. If it feels dry, it's time to water. Early morning is the best time to do this, as it allows plants to absorb moisture before the heat of the day. Let's not forget about the importance of mulching. A good layer of mulch can suppress weeds, retain moisture, and regulate soil temperature. Organic mulches like straw, wood chips, or shredded leaves not only provide these benefits but also break down over time, adding nutrients back into the soil. It's a win-win situation. Lastly, keep learning. Farming is an evolving practice, and there's always something new to discover. Join local farming groups, attend workshops, or even just chat with fellow farmers. Sharing experiences and tips can lead to innovative solutions and better practices. So, whether you're a seasoned farmer or just starting out, remember that small changes can lead to big results. Embrace these easy farming tips, and you'll find that farming can be not only productive, but also incredibly rewarding.